Hey, and welcome. We are doing Go Math, fourth grade, chapter 8. We are going to focus today on 8.1, multiples of unit fractions. Before we begin, let's ponder and warm up with these questions. What is the product of 5 and 6? Is it 56? No, it's not. It's 30. And how can we write this product as repeated addition? So think about that. Repeating addition. We would write it as 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. We want to ponder the question, do you get the same result whether you multiply the numbers or use repeated addition? The next few slides are going to help you answer that question. So, with everything I do, I needed to put a meme. How do teachers see their Friday night pizza? It's true. We really do see fractions. But you know what we never see? I never see pizzas divided up into sixths. That's very hard to say. I'm not trying to say a Star Wars character or anything. I'm trying to say sixths, meaning that you have a whole that is divided up into 6 equal parts. And with these 6 equal parts, you can use the unit fraction to help you work with problems leading up to the fraction. So a unit fraction, remember, always has the numerator, the number at the top, always has the number 1. And then the bottom number, the denominator, always has the number of parts. So the unit fraction of this whole is going to be 1/6. So we can write 5/6 in 2 different ways. We can write it as repeated addition, 5/6, and then you add 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. So you add those up, that's 5/6. And the second way that you can write it is right there. How can you write a fraction as a whole number? Okay. Wait, there's no whole number, but we do have the unit fraction. Now we need to think, what times 1 is going to give us 5? If you said 5, then you're right. All right, so we have some practice problems too. How do we write 3/4? So remember, we take a whole number and then we multiply it by the unit fraction. The unit fraction of 3/4 is 1/4. So what times 1 is going to give us 3? That's right. 3. So 3 times 1/4 is equal to 3/4. We have another problem here, 4/6. How do we write that? So we take the unit fraction, 1/6, and we multiply it by a whole number to give us 4. So what number is that going to be? 4. And finally, we can start working with multiples of 1/5 or multiples of any unit fraction. Let's see if you can see the pattern. So if we wanted to multiply 1 times 1/5, it's easy. 1 times 1 is 1. It's 1/5. What if we multiplied 1/5 by 2? What is 1 times 2? 2. So the fraction would be 2/5. A pattern is going to develop. What is 1/5 times 3? 3/5. 1/5 times 4? 4/5. And finally, 1/5 times 5 is 5/5. And that is another name for 1 whole. Don't adjust your noise settings. Those are the dogs. They hear the garbage truck out there. Whatever. It is what it is, right? So now you can definitely answer the question, do you get the same result whether you multiply the numbers or use repeated addition? The answer is yes.